With time, it is getting easier to build an AI application, whether it is white labeling an LLM model or it is building an innovative agentic AI application. But what is still challenging is to make these applications production ready, because the challenges that you face in the production environment can be quite tricky, especially with the agentic AI power. By the way, what is agentic AI? It is the ability of a generative AI applications to think and act like humans. We humans can think and act, and with the help of tools achieve various things. And we want the same functionality to be embedded into these agentic AI applications. In this video series, we are going to build the agentic AI applications using AWS services. We will make use of Amazon Bedrock, which is the home for the foundation models, make use of knowledge bases, guardrails, memory, so that your agentic AI application remembers in short term and long term the things that it needs to know. It will have a code interpreter, it will have a runtime environment, it will have a gateway, it will have an identity, observability, browser, code interpreter, harness, and the latest feature, which is payment. Now, these agents are being given the power to do the payments on your behalf for the knowledge that it is looking for. So, this video series is going to be quite interesting from that perspective. By the way, what is Amazon Bedrock? It is a fully managed serverless service which provides access to 100 plus foundation models from the leading AI companies. What does this mean? It means that when your application goes from POC to production, you will not have to sit down manually and scale up or scale down your application when your workload goes up or goes down. It helps you with the cost perspective, because when your load goes down, you are not paying for the services which you are not using. Similarly, it helps you to get a great customer experience when your load goes up and you start getting more servers, so that your end users get a great customer experience. And in this video series, we are going to build such application, understanding from the concepts of human brains, how do we think and act, and how can we replicate the same functionality into our agentic AI applications. Type 1 in the comment section if you have heard and used Amazon Bedrock earlier, and type 0 if you have not heard of this service or if you have not used this service ever. And in the next video, I'm going to make you comfortable with the Amazon Bedrock UI, so that you can start development with me to build an agentic AI applications. See you in the next video.